This is a love reading for you, Capricorn, for September to October. In this love reading, I'm going to take out cards to see how's the guidance for you and your love interest. You should note that this is a general reading, so everything will not resonate with all Capricorn as it is, and whatever may will vary in the intensity. Also, do read my September newsletter and circulate it, share it with your friends, family, or either on your social handles as widely as possible. So, who are you two in the relationship? What is the strength and challenges the two of you bring? How do you both see each other? What is the hope or fear you have about the future together? And what is the past the two of you are coming from? And then what is the overall guidance for the love reading? So let us see how's the guidance. Okay. So when I'm looking at these cards, what I'm getting is Capricorn, you're very well to do and you're blessed with a very good mind. You're very hands on and you know how to spend money. This is someone who's very affluent and well to do or very well established in the society. You are someone who's either doing a very good business or you are someone who's at a very good job and you're making good load of money. So your situation is very nice, almost to the point of luxury. So you're experiencing a lot of happiness, the joy that money can bring, and you must be also somebody who likes to spend money just to have this very nice good vibe about you, or just to feel good about yourself. Maybe it is on clothes, maybe it's just on buying some very good brands, whatever it takes to make you happy, look rich, and and you don't mind showing off your money. So a lot of people try to hide it, try to play it low profile. Not you. You are okay if people want to see it, and if people want to talk about you having money, you're quite okay with it. Now, how do you so who is your partner in the relationship? Your partner is still not on board. I'm saying this is someone who's not yet into the relationship so much or into the marriage just so much. There is still a lot of emotional connection that needs to be made between the two of you, and it's quite possible some of you may be feeling that your partner doesn't connect so easily or doesn't open up, or there is just this emotional side to your partner which you have not figured out. Also, some of you may be wanting to make a very deep connect with your partner. He or she is unwilling to get into a emotional roller coaster or go scratching beyond a certain depth emotionally. He or she likes to keep it very simple, not have too much emotions going. So this is just how the overall energy is of your partner. Also, your partner doesn't like too many people who are as best friends. He or she has lot of friends, but not too many people. Your partner is sharing secrets. He or she likes to keep things to themselves and not share many things with other people. Now, what is the strength and challenges you bring, and what is the strength and challenges your partner brings? When I look at these cards, one challenge you see is your doubt whether you will be able to live up to the certain responsibilities fully, or will you get bogged down by responsibilities, or are you doing enough to be a good husband or a good wife, or a good spouse to your partner. So there are a lot of times these challenges that keep showing up. You hate to say a no to your partner or love interest, but then you are sometimes working with it, and then you have to say what you have to say. Also, I'm seeing is you tend to overwork or overexert yourself almost to the point then that you have to stop midway and then take rest. So some of you may be overexerting also in this relationship. Maybe if it is not working out, Get okay with saying oh or no, or saying that things are looking too difficult, maybe we should try it some other time. About maybe it is a career thing, maybe it is about going traveling, or just the expenses. So you should find a way to say a no, rather than overexerting and killing yourself trying to be this person who's a perfect spouse or a partner or a boyfriend girlfriend. So you want to learn to say no. Now, or not say just no, but just also say what is difficult and why it is not working out, and maybe find a middle path. What is the strength and challenges your partner is bringing? Your partner is quite open to traveling, loves to go and try new things. He or she is also someone who doesn't like repetition. So maybe if it is traveling or it is just going to new place, your partner is always saying, let us try something new, let's go someplace else. So he or she is quite a risk taker. And I'm also seeing your partner maybe wanting to relocate to a new place for the time being, or maybe for a short while. He or she feels that the two of you should move out of where you are right now, go to a new place, work and see how things go there, and then maybe take things forward. He or she is very willing to relocate or move to a new place temporarily, and he or she also feels that it will do a world of good to their career. Your partner feels maybe their career will take off better in a new place or a city than where they are right now. Now, how do you see your partner, Capricorn, and how does your partner see you? One, you both are more or less on the same page with wanting to run expenses, taking care of your share of expenses, or pulling in as much effort and doing whatever is needed to keep the marriage or the union going strong or good. So you see your partner as someone who's very hardworking, someone who's put in lot of effort and is waiting for a payday. So you see your partner as not someone who's settling at something less or small. You see your partner as is always at work and has a good payday or a money day coming, and it is not just a salary or a payday in terms of that, but also something big or life changing coming in terms of money. Maybe it will upgrade your partner into a certain new financial tire if this kind of money comes in. So you have seen that your partner has been working a lot, and then there is a huge or a good money coming. So this is how you see your partner. Your partner also more or less sees you the same way, that you're a team player, you talk to people, and you're very good with managing money, and also telling people how to manage money or do what needs to be done to take care of the money or grow the money. You are also someone who may be doing something socially or just in the community, telling people how things are to be done. This is also telling me you want to build a house. The two of you could be wishing or wanting to build a house, and the partner feels maybe let us first travel, be in a new place, and then see if we want to settle to the new place or settle here. So this is just how it is looking right now. But more or less you both have a very similar impression about each other, that both of you are working hard and you have a lot of money going on which needs to be taken care of or looked after or is coming in. Now, what is the hope or fear you have about the future with your partners, Capricorn? And what is the hope or fear your partner has about the future with you? You feel your partner is very giving and loving, and you are both headed to a very good or a happy future together. So when I'm looking at these cards, it's telling me you're very positive about the future with your partner, and you believe that this with this partner the union will be very successful. So you see, if you are married, you see a very strong marriage, and if you both are just dating, you definitely see a marriage happening with this partner. You also feel this partner is the absolute angel and is very kind. You see your partner as very kind and who doesn't speak rudely or doesn't say mean things, is very soft and gentle. So this is how you see your partner in the future energy working out, that things will work out or get stronger from here, and there's a very nice and happy future waiting for the two of you. About the future, your partner feels maybe you will change, and there will be some people who could influence you. You may not stay the same, and the love equation could change. So, time will tell. Your partner is not so sure, maybe because you may have had some fights, Capricorn, with your partner over he told me this, she told me this, why did you do this. So, your partner feels that maybe in the future this energy could become big, and just because someone said something to you, you could fight with them, with your partner. So, your partner feels that you may have a lot of managing work to be done, or partner may have to manage you a lot in terms of how much influence you are taking in or how they are able to handle you better. So your partner feels things are not going to be that smooth, or such a easy walk, and there is a lot of work cut out in the future for between you and your partner. So the reason for this energy, as I said, is that you may have had a fight with your partner over what people told you or what you heard about your partner from other people. Now, what is the past you are coming from, Capricorn, and what is the past your partner is coming from? In the past, you have taken some very big risk, or you have done things where people cautioned you, don't do it, it looks risky, it may not work out, and you went ahead and did it and learnt it the hard way that they were right. So you were someone who has taken risk, or you are someone very independent, and you don't care for what the other person says. If you want to go ahead with something, you will, and then you got proven wrong, and that the other people were right. But as I see who are you right now, you're someone who's made a lot of money and you have a very bright mind also. So this risk taking, or this thing, or doing the things on your own, has also helped you to figure out what is right, what is wrong, or how to take bets, because you seem to be very affluent and you have learned through your mistakes and errors or just simple experience. Now, what is the past your partner is coming from? I'm seeing your partner has lived a very contained life, or he or she always felt very inhibited, or somebody who was always controlled, always told do it like this, do it like that. He or she may also be coming from a soft abuse from the past. It could be childhood, it could be something in the school, and easily that is why it's possible your partner doesn't speak much. I'm seeing your partner doesn't like to speak much, and that is why doesn't open up, doesn't like to connect that easily. And this is because of maybe how a certain experience may have been in the school, or growing up, or just have some person or something that took a toll on your partner. So this is how the energy is from the past for the two of you. Now, how's overall the guidance for the love reading? This guidance is telling me that the connection the two of you are feeling is special, or this is not something of a regular union. There is something truly very special between the two of you. And I'm also seeing a guidance of people making money. So I'm seeing that it's quite possible that this relationship, if you both are able to make enough money or develop a very good luxurious lifestyle, or a good lifestyle about the two of you, then this union is going to progress very well into retirement. Otherwise, there is definitely a good connect, and you both will proceed a bit slow. One person may have to put in a bit more effort into the relationship than the other. So this is how I see the guidance, Capricorn, for you and your love interest.